Welcome. At Sunday today, so you look Sunday vibes I go around here, so and yeah, Sunday school come to mind. Yeah, when we was little, we have to go to Sunday school, so we know a lot of my age group, so don't know this little tune here, and the song we used to sing in a Sunday school, and it go let's dig a hole and put the devil in. So oh fine woman love to change up the tune them, adapt the tune them. So fine woman change up the tune in a studio again. Fine woman I go and good me me tune them I go and both the place me me tune them I sing on radio station too. So me I go sing this now. And it go. The people them is a sly old fox. If we could have catch them, we'd have lock them in a box. Lock them in a box and throw away the key. We had the lies them tell pan here. Let's dig a hole and put them in a hate. Let's dig a hole, let's dig a hole, let's dig a hole and put the lies them in. Let's dig a hole, let's dig a hole, let's dig a hole and put the lies in. Yes. So that's the tune now. Yeah. So now, let's get into it. So, what fine woman I got talk about that Cynthia may put on, fine woman always say she put things on the back burner and put it on the back burner because me thinking, Lord, me feel led for say it, but me no want to say it. And me thinking, Lord, why you asking me for say it? But me I got talk here. Me I got talk here today. I think today the right day for talk here. So we are talk about prevent, yes. So at Sunday school, so we are talking about preventing kids from going the wrong way. So if anybody say Dwayne, Gracie, and Maxine, tell them, say me call them. Because me want to talk to them. Because them 3 people here, you want to talk to me like them 3 people here. Me know say, we might lose some prescription because some people, if them not like the people them, feel like them too. So, I want to experiment I do again to see how fast people are go and subscribe to my channel. But I saw it go. So what we want to talk about is preventing kids from going the wrong way. And me see the way the other day over the book face, I know say me over there watching. Me see him dress up for disguise himself here. Want nobody come tell me where my daughter street. So no, him dress up over there and me hear my talk. Him I say big up one woman, one cake shop lady. And this certain person, she caused a lot of problems on the book face. So through that now people not like her. I mean, I want to mix with her, yes, because we can see she going to lead him down the wrong way. Yes, she a beat him a bigger up. I mean, I like that. So, me, I'm going to have a word with him, yes, because the reason why I don't want to mix with her, she not like human down at the view, and we can't see she has set him up. Yeah, she want to set him up. Because the other day she wasn't happy with him. Me hear her talk, say she not happy with him. And me feel say she want to set him up here. To say things, yes. And because him was rejected from down there, so sometime him have little outbursts, yes. Because sometime with kids, them rebel, innit? Them rebellious, yeah, when, things now go them way, sometimes they're rebellious, and we can see him a rebel. Him and Gracie a rebel too. See she a rebel, yeah, because somebody lick her 2 times, then try to strike her channel, and because of that, she come out a cuss, because she love to cuss. And so, and them 2 people that me want to tell them say, no listen to nobody, no listen to the nice what go on, because people are want to draw one into them argument and into them passa. So they need to keep away from it. So listen to me. And the other person who I want to talk to that me feel say me need to safeguard as well is Maxine. AKA Elderly Mac, some people call her. Elderly Mac like to go down memory lane. Yes. And memory lane isn't a good thing to keep going down. Yeah, because what the people them a do on the media, social media, they want you to go down memory lane, yes. And them a egg you on to do all these things, yes. And when you go down a memory lane and trouble start, they run left you. So at that me can see what go on. When trouble start, them a go run left you down a memory lane, and when you can't find your way back and you get lost, and you want down there and it get dark. So don't go down memory lane, Maxine, because memory lane is not a good place, especially when you suffer from depression. The tube or the social media is not a good place for some people, because if you're mixing with negative forces, people that are negative and they're low in mood, and you low in mood too, then gonna drag you down. So YouTube, this is a part of the tube, is no therapy for nobody whatsoever. So what me I go say, and what me I go say, and me want to listen keenly. On a need to do nothing and don't follow the crowd and the people them while I try for egg on. Yeah, them I try for egg on to do certain things, yes. Because that's what social media is like, yeah. Them egg you on, get in a mix up and pass, make you say things what you probably didn't want to say, and when you after you say it, you regret it. So my advice to Maxine, if you stop go down memory lane here, stop playing memories. If you're not hurting nobody, you're hurting yourself when you keep playing memories. And as for Dwayne and Gracie, do nothing, yes. And I know the lady did strike you. Me don't know a lady, apparently from before Christmas, that warning they go to say people are gonna be struck by the admins, yes. So no, my personal thing, I don't feel say the lady have nothing to do with it. She probably don't know say on your channel and you take it away, say this, that and that knows all. However, I saw it go. So move on, do your thing and forget about that. No. But what me see it too. Dwayne and Gracie was two of the strongest soldiers before fighting the war over. Down at the mountain, yeah, view there. Them in a fight the war, yeah. When the war in a go on before, them in a fight, yes. And put our fun and joke aside, we know so the lady never asked them to fight, but them in a fight. And the one Gracie, she's a strong, like a powerful fighter. So she did root up man of evil people. She did find some people where she did go places where no other soldier did go. And through that now, she's very hurt. Because true, she said the lady said she can't use the content, and then the admin then go on the car and beat her up. She don't feel good about that. So and that why she a rebel and a behave like how she a behave. So but she did do a lot of good, so I think she feels say she shouldn't be picked on, and I feel say, yeah. When the media say she don't like you and people don't like you in the media, yeah, people put out a lot of negative vibes out there. And that me feel like go on, yeah. So, and we are a rebel too, because of the rejection. As much as you say nobody, I mean like, down at the shop. I mean like, if you go to the shop, they go buy food. I know, he can't go down there, so, him not like it. So, and that me I go say, and fine woman don't talk for today. Fine woman chat too much today. Alright, fine woman don't talk and she gone.